Hi, welcome back to UVM videos. In this video, we are going to learn about basics of system Verilog which is needed to learn UVM. We are going to learn about class, variables inside the class, functions inside the class, child class. So let's take an example of a car which has a driver and a rider. So let's write a code for it. Class car which has a driver and a rider as the variables. And what is a function of a car? To drive. So that will be the function of the class car. To drive, take right and take left. This is the diagram from my previous video. This is the components of test bench. That is sequence, driver, monitor and a scoreboard. So each of these components are classes. Let's take an example of sequence. Class sequence, and it contains variables address and data, and it has a function and a task. So we wrote a class for sequence. Let's see how to give a handle for it. Sequence 1. This is how we give a handle for a sequence class. Sequence 1 is equals to new. This is where we allocate a memory for it. To update any variables inside the class, we use a handle for it. Sequence 1 is the handle. Sequence 1.address is equals to 1-p1. Sequence 1.data is equals to 8-d22. So to call any functions inside the class, we use a handle for that too. So sequence1.print. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe if you are interested to learn more about UVM.